Hello families, we're going to show you what it may look like when your children come to school in the fall. For those students who ride in a car, as soon as they get to the parking lot, there will be someone there to take temperatures. The staff person will also ask questions to the adult in the car. The questions will be, have any of the children you were dropping off had close contact within 6 feet for at least 15 minutes in the last 14 days with someone diagnosed with COVID-19, or has any health department or health care provider been in contact with you and advised you to quarantine? Do any of the children you are dropping off have any of these symptoms? Fever, chills, shortness of breath, or difficulty breathing, new cough, new loss or taste or smell. Since they were last at school, have any of the children you were dropping off been diagnosed with COVID-19? Depending on the answers the adult in the car provides, your children may or may not be allowed to stay at school. If they are fever-free and all of the answers are acceptable, your children will be allowed to enter school. If your child or any child in the car has a fever or the questions asked have negative responses, your children will not be allowed to enter school for the day. There will be a similar process for bus riders. One of the things that you may see are boys and girls walking 6 feet apart in the building to their designated location.
Families will be taking extra measures this year to make sure that our buildings are being cleaned and sanitized daily. In our buildings, you may see a sign similar to this one indicating that our restroom is being disinfected regularly.
Hi, my name is Wendy McLaurin. I'm a school nurse here at Fairview Heights Elementary. You probably have seen some of these signs in the community, know your W's. We will have them here in the schools as well. Wear a cloth face covering, wait 6 feet apart and avoid close contact, and wash your hands often or use hand sanitizer. One thing that we're going to do this year to help protect our students is to teach them how to wash their hands properly for at least 20 seconds.
Hello, I'm Erin Gregory, school nurse at Monroe Avenue Elementary School. As you know, parents, this year, students will be required to wear face coverings while at school. They can be any face covering, they can be hospital face coverings or any cloth face covering, kind of like the ones the students are wearing here today, or like mine. These face coverings will be required all day at school to prevent the spread of the virus, to prevent spread between students and staff. When your child comes home, the proper way to remove the mask is to only touch the ties behind the ears. Fold the ties together, do not touch the inside. If your masks are reusable and washable, you may hold the strings and drop them into the washing machine to be washed and reused. Your child may see these, they will see these signs up on the walls in their school, reminding them that they must stay 6 feet apart. When traveling in the hallways, they must stay 6 feet apart.
Hello families, my name is Wendy Jordan and I'm the Director of Student Services with Richmond County Schools. You may have seen in other nurse videos that the children will not be allowed on campus if they have a temperature of over 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit or if they present with any symptoms. They will need to go home immediately for their safety and the safety of others. As a result, we are asking that you go ahead and start making plans now for who will be available to transport your child if you are not available. Friends, family members, neighbors, but please start talking, make a plan so that your child can stay safe and we can protect the safety of others. We thank you for respecting this request and we look forward to a wonderful school year, although it will be different. Thank you.